Welcome to our exploration of how virtual reality is transforming the real estate industry. Virtual reality, once a concept of science fiction, is now a groundbreaking tool in various sectors, including real estate. Traditionally, real estate showings involved physical visits to multiple locations, often requiring significant time and effort. With the advent of VR technology, the paradigm of property showings has shifted. Prospective buyers can now visit properties virtually from anywhere in the world. VR tours offer immersive experiences, allowing clients to walk through the properties as if they were physically present, exploring every corner with a 360-degree view. This technology not only saves time, but also aids in better decision-making. Buyers can revisit multiple properties at their convenience, leading to more informed choices. VR reduces the need for travel, lowering the carbon footprint. It also opens up international markets, allowing global buyers to explore properties remotely. Virtual reality is not just revolutionizing the real estate showings, it's redefining the entire buying experience, making it more efficient, accessible, and environmentally friendly. Thank you for joining me in this virtual journey. Stay up to date on what's happening in the current real estate market. For more videos like this one, like and subscribe.